This video will show you how to use the Export to Excel function for account schedules in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. In this example, I'll show you how to produce the same report for the same time period, showing a different dimension on each tab of the Excel workbook. This demonstration is done in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009 R2 Classic, but the principles of this function apply to all versions of NAV. The account schedule that we're looking at today has dimensions in the row setup as well as in the column layout. Let's say you wanted to provide reports to the project owners, but you didn't want them to see all of the projects, you just wanted them to see their project. Exporting to Excel with dimension filtering is a great way to do this. Let's change our column layout so that we're only reflecting a total. And now let's use this to begin our shell and set our formatting. If I choose Functions, Export to Excel, and create a new workbook, this will put this information into Excel for me to begin with. So let's just make a couple of quick formatting fixes here. Let's make these numbers look a little bit better. And then let's just change the column header here. The one other thing that I'd like to show you is, since I know that I'm going to apply an additional filter on this report, a dimension filter, NAV will move my lines down by one. I'm going to be proactive and add a line right now. So if this is my total tab, I need 3 more tabs for my projects. And I'll show you a different way to do this than the last demo that we had. I'm just going to copy this information here. I'm going to select all 3 of these tabs using Shift and paste it. And now you can see that all 4 of these are exactly the same, showing the total with December's numbers. So let's save this. Replace what we did last time there. Close this out. And I'm going to filter by my dimensions now. So let's pick that first project. Now you see my numbers have changed. They're less because I'm looking at just a part of the whole. If I choose Functions and Export to Excel, of course now I want to update the workbook that I created. Let's go out there and find it. And my little worksheet tabs will populate with some choices. So I'm going to choose Mercedes, hit OK, hit OK again, and there will be a little pause as Account Schedules updates Excel with the new numbers for the Mercedes project. So now I can see here's my total and here's my Mercedes project, and you'll see that the formatting is exactly the same, just the numbers have been updated. So let's do that 2 more times for Toyota and for VW. Again, Functions, Export to Excel, choose a new tab, hit OK, and wait for a second so that it updates Excel. And we can see that the Toyota numbers are now updated. And just a part of the whole of the total. Let's do it one more time with VW. Functions, Export to Excel, change the worksheet name, let it do its processing in order to update the Excel worksheet, and now you have a workbook that has 4 sheets that are formatted exactly the same with different numbers for the dimensions of your projects.